Alright guys, so quick rig rundown. Starting from the front of the vehicle, got this aerial here. That one runs through to an RF cradle in the car, just to boost the phone signal up, and obviously this is a 6.5 dB aerial for reception on the UHF. Coming around the front now, we've got your two steady light bars. These things throw massive amounts of light, obviously only for off-road use typically. And the headlights, I've got a full LED upgrade in those as well. Down below we've got the 12,000 pound winch. It's the King's, just a cheapie but does the job, mainly because of the wireless controller. Under the underbody we've got full Ironman bash plates. We've also got recovery points that are all rated, and they come out massively in favour. Then we've got the Ironman 4x4 snorkel with a Canon air filter just to help it breathe a bit easier. Down below here guys, we've got slotted discs at the front just to help it cool off a bit better. I've gone for a slightly high profile tyre, that's helped raise the car up about 1 3/4 inches, and I've got a 2-inch Ironman suspension lift as well. Up above we've got the 2.5 by 2.5 King's awning. Inside that is also fitted a 2 metre wide orange LED light strip, just purely based on bugs. We've also got the small LEDs as well, just for lighting up the campground at night. Come around the back on the canopy roof, we've got a 110 watt King solar panel. Then we've got the LED tail lights. These LED tail lights are the sequential, so they're quite fancy, but they just need to be upgraded because the old ones are cracked. We've also got obviously a reverse camera, and then we've also got some plugs fitted down below as well for towing trailers and charging batteries. Coming around now, we've also got the kick-ass tent. This is a shower tent, folds out about 1 metre square all round, and obviously helps with the shower setup, which you will see shortly no doubt. Okay guys, starting from the back of the vehicle, obviously we've got the Ironman 50 litre freezer. I've just used the little attachments to attach a knife sharpener, a little globe inside the tent, that sort of jazz. Over here we've got the attachment for a secondary solar panel to provide extra power on top of what already comes in through the 110 watt on the roof. Then down here we've got our amp meter, so you can see how many amp hours of charge are actually coming through from the solar on the roof. This little receiver box, this here's a little cool bit of kit, this one. So this one here allows me to control my oven. It allows me also to control my side lights, everything all off the flick of a button, as you'll see. Then we've got the 1500 watt pure sine wave inverter, 110 litre tank. Excuse the rather messy fitting work. I wanted something nice and clear to be able to access and see in case I've got any leaks. I also put an Anderson plug connection on for the freezer, just in case. Inside down here we've got the 105 amp hour battery, AGM, along with the DC 40 amp hour charger. It's ability for plenty of extra charge to come in through that. Around the back we've also got the drawers, plenty of storage inside those. They're about 1.3 meters deep. And then over the back here you can see we've got the shower and the oven set up. I'll show you that a bit more in depth. So come around here, got the oven. That's perfect for storing Chinese container sized food in. Usually I make up leftovers, leave in the car freezer, then I can just take them out, slap them in there, press button 1 on my remote, and we're good. You can see obviously got the shower head there. This is quite a cool bit of kit. Now coming back to that shower, I just brought that cable down so you can have a look, the hose shall say. You can see how much water is in at a time as well as voltage. And then we can also turn her on, do a bit of a show what she's got. So pretty impressive pressures for the shower.